Hi friends, LANCI is the OEM shoe factory. Today I would like to introduce about the whole procedure of customize a shoe. The procedure from the shoe last construction to the pattern make and to the stitching to lasting and to the final simple shoeing. The shoe last is the base of the shoe is the shoe's construction. It is the most important element to have a good shoe and with a good shape. If we want to have a good shape, to make a good shape of shoe last with construction is the most important. Move to the second procedure. After the shoe construction completed, to do the pattern. First, to do the paper pattern on the shoe last. After the paper pattern completed, a developer put the pattern to computer to make the line more shape and more perfect. To customize the shoes is different from the production line. We to cut the materials piece to piece, followed up the pattern. To customize the shoe to check the quantity is most completed for a simple procedure. After the material prepared, move to the stitching. A shoe with a good looking, the stitching is important, and the stitch maker has a precise job to make a whole apple. During the stitching maker would check the pattern and check the material step by step to make sure the shoes has a good looking. After stitching completed, move to the lasting. Before the lasting, the midsole compared to the shoe last, and to go through the high temperature to make the upper and sole combined easily. In the sharpen procedure, is an important factor to have the shoe have a good looking. In the procedure, the lasting maker will keep check the upper and the shoe last and soles if all are work. In the procedure, the lasting maker will keep check the upper and the shoe last and soles if all are work. All the procedure in lasting is to make sure the upper is most fitable to the shoe last and gives the customer a good fitting. Now they customize a shoe completed all procedure and give you a display.